This is my straight edge jig for straight edging lumber that's not straight on the edge like this. So the first thing you want to do is look at your lumber, and you want to have the concave side here go against this edge here, so that way it stays tight there and there. The next step is you measure your width here, and then you go down here and measure it, and you take the smallest number, which is about 5 9/16, and set your saw fence at 5 9/16, and then run it through. After it's ran through, now you have a perfectly straight edge on your lumber, and it's usable now. I also have made jigs for 10-foot lumber, and then also up here hanging I have it for 16-foot pieces. Yeah, it goes the whole way. And basically you just there's about 2 inches here, 1.5 2 inches, and then this is about 5.5 from here to here, and then you put an end stop on it so it holds it on to the board. And basically you just have to push the board into this stop here and run it through, and it's you can straight edge a piece of wood in 20 seconds. Works great.